There it is. It's not a range day without me unless that happens. Damn it, Clint.
What's going on, guys? Kimchi Cowboy. Today we're back at Copperhead Creek. Joseph, he's just here to be the cameraman, and he's also going to shoot the Staccato. Today, the plan is we're going to be running the Staccato through a whole bunch of drills that I've done on the channel just to see how it is compared to how I run the other handguns. So we got cold starts, Bear Solutions warm-up drill, T.rex course of fire. Then I want to run the Sage Dynamics 25-yard drill, the Bill drill workup, which I actually haven't done on the channel before, Devil's drill, and 10-10-10. So a whole bunch of drills. We'll see how we do and go from there. But excited, brought about 550, 600 rounds of 9mm. We're going to have some fun, but let's get to shooting. Bear Solutions drill. Nope. 1209 or 1201, sorry. 2 out, 3, 1, 2, 3 on the center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Damn, I'm really jerking it left. 1181. That's not a hit. That's shrapnel.
Whoa.
1333. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 178. 232. 453. This time we're going to do the Bill drill workup. You have a 2-second par time. Try to work all your way up to 6. If you fail and you go over 2 seconds, whatever round count that was, you have one more chance to try. We are at 7 meters. Also, if you get out of the alpha zone, that does not count. So that was a 175. Yikes. I need to speed it up. Okay, we're good. We're good. But I was a 170, so now we go up to 3. Oh, through Charlie, so I gotta try again. That was a 188, so I have time. Through Charlie again, but that was a 199, so right now I'm at 3. Joseph is gonna give it a go. Dead center alpha, 143, attaboy. Okay, 2 shots now. 182, stand by.
Through 1.
Through 2. We'll try that again. That was a 204.
Through 1.
Oh yeah. 202 again. Six, 7, 9. Yeah, way left. 5 out. Well, didn't account for a reload. 11-1-7. At least we're all in.
Not in the 10.
Yeah.
Damn.
7-7-5. We're now trying the Sage Dynamics drill. Forget the name of it, but clean target B8. You're aiming for the 10 ring. 25 yards, 75 feet. So we're walking it out. You have 20 seconds to put 10 rounds into that circle. So as you can see, 75 feet. Yeah. Okay.
You got 2 in. I think this is off.
I'll reset.
I think this is off.
You want to switch guns?
I hate your fucking wood.
God damn it. Okay.
I can't hold to this.
Nice. Go reset your cans.
Bitch. Told you a sig suck. I was about to pop it for you.
Nice work.
Almost.
Almost.
Damn. Run that back.
2-2-3. Ah, 1 out. Damn. 2-2-2, 1 out again. You hit the steel on the bottom, the top left, and it knocked the clay off. Ty!
I don't know who got that.
I don't know who got that either, though. Does it tell us our split? No, it got 1 shot only.
Damn.
3 seconds flat. That's what we call a tie right there. Not even a split between.
Hi.
Yeah, why am I high now? What was the time?
You want to guess?
2:17.
194.
Damn. All right.
Okay. There you go.
All in. What's the time?
234.
So that time I actually picked up the dot.
Still didn't beat my time.
Yeah. Two, 3, 3, 4 in, 2 out.
You got a round in that other mag?
No.
What's that time?
Oh, you got 1 out though.
Fuck!
2, 2, 1.
That one was our.
Nope, it was these 2.
It was?
Yep, I was watching them.
Fuck!
Well, we got some more ammo. Let's go. 1 low, 216. You beat 2 seconds.
But not.
Yeah.
Ah!
Your first shot was a 107.
I gotta do
2
better.
second split, or 0.2 split, 0.17, 0.16, 0.20, 0.15.
Okay, let's do the math. Hold on. Are those all? Oh no, those are 17s, right?
Yeah.
One high? Whoo, boy!
No, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're all in. 203. Shoo!
Damn! One out.
3 out.
Damn it, Clint. 199. Too low. 196. 103.
I think you went a little early, but
Did I?
214, clean. We'd have to watch it, but I think you went a hair second too early. That is gonna wrap it up for today. Ran a bunch of drills. We mainly actually ended up focusing on the bill drill itself. Got extremely close, as you guys can see. Just need to somehow clean it up and get all 6 shots into the target. But 1,000 rounds now through the Staccato, a little more. I wanted to run the Glock at some point, but actually my red dot battery died and I don't have any extras. So that's a bummer. Gonna have to get some more batteries for that. Joseph, can't thank him enough for coming out and filming, and then he also got to run the Staccato. And yeah, beat me. He's shooting better than my own with my own gun, but super fun day. We'll be coming back out here for sure in the near future and running some more drills. Oh, hey, grab the measuring tape. We'll probably do like a review of the Staccato, because definitely have some thoughts about it after 1,000 rounds. In the beginning, wasn't that hot. Definitely took myself a little longer to warm up. Some of those beginning drills weren't run as clean as I thought I would do. I'm gonna go ahead and toss up the T.rex Arms Course of Fire stuff either when I finished it or right now. We'll see how I did. I have to add that all up, but if you guys enjoyed that video, you guys want to see more Staccato content, want to run some more drills, that Sage Dynamic at 25 yards is stupid hard. That's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, like, comment, subscribe if you're new here. Engagement really helps the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.